2 tablespoon butter, 4 tablespoon green seeds, 2 tablespoon poppy seeds, 300 gram seedless chopped dates, 4 tablespoon chopped cashew, 4 tablespoon chopped almonds, 300 gram chopped seedless dates. Dates are seedless. 4 tablespoon cashew, 4 tablespoon peanuts, 2 tablespoon poppy seeds, 2 tablespoon butter. Roast poppy seeds until color changes. Dry roast poppy seeds. Keep on stirring occasionally until its color changes or it's become fragrant. Roast poppy seeds until color changes. Take out the roasted poppy seeds in the plate. Take out roasted poppy seeds in plate. Add 1 tablespoon butter in the pan. Add cashew. Fry peanuts and cashew in butter. Fry cashew and peanuts in butter. Fry cashew and peanuts in butter. Keep on stirring occasionally until it turns golden brown in color and butter start melting. Fry cashew peanuts in butter. Fry golden brown cashew peanuts in butter. Add green fruit, dry fruit. This is pumpkin seeds, green pumpkin seeds. Added green pumpkin seeds and roast fry all the dry fruits. You can add the dry fruit of your choice. I have added the pumpkin seeds. Fry dry fruit until golden brown. Now we will add chopped dates, seedless chopped dates. You can grind seedless dates or you can chop it into the pieces. I chop it into small pieces. Combine everything together. Roast it until it start leaving the pan and everything combined together. Keep on mixing until dry fruit mixed in the dry dates. Until it will start leaving the pan and until dry fruit combine with the dates. Date will start melting and it will combine all the dry fruit into itself. See, slowly and gradually it will become thick like a paste or become a dough. Keep on stirring until it becomes thick like a dough. See, slowly gradually it start leaving the pan and dry fruit is going into the mixing with the dates. See, it's start leaving the pan and dough like structure form. It is all because dates start melting and it become like a dough. See, everything combined together like a dough and dry fruit is inside this dates mixture. Everything is combined together. Now take out this in the plate. It's ready. And take out this in the plate. It's ready. Let it cool down little bit. Then we will make the balls out of it or any shape you like you can make. After cooling little bit, make a ball, coat with the poppy seeds. Make a ball and coat with the poppy seeds. Poppy seeds is optional. You can make without poppy seeds, without coating with the poppy seeds. I am making some with poppy seeds and some without poppy seeds. First of all, make all the balls laddu from this mixture. Coat it with the poppy seeds. Now make a cylinder or tube like shape from the remaining mixture. Make a tube or cylinder like shape. Then we will cut small rings like a structure from this. First make a tube or cylinder like shape. Then cut it into the small rings, circular pieces. Let's cut it into the small circular pieces. Coat with the poppy seeds and freeze 1 hour. Coat with the poppy seeds and freeze this cylinder for 1 hour. Then we will cut the rings out of it. After 1 hour of the freezing, let's cut the circular rings. The beautiful circular ring like structure can form from this after freezing 1 hour. Don't worry if it breaks, you can combine everything together. It's a sticky dough. See, our dry fruit rings, circular rings are ready to serve. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it looks yummy taste and beautiful look. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you.